Yeah, hi. This is to introduce the uses of material design under an Angular or Ionic app. How you have to use the material design. So, first of all, you need to install the material design. When you install the material design, it will come under Angular. You will find like material. So let me have a look here about material. I will show you like npm material. Google.com as I say, yeah, not like that, it's something like this. So uh, plus npm. So I got the material. You have to install it before you start using it. You have to install this material. Once you install this material, your Angular app will your node dependency will capture all these cards and all. So when we going to use the material design, it first need to be imported in the app.module, because we need each and everything. Like suppose example, I'm taking math divider module. So if I'm going to use it, I need to put it here in imports. After importing from the required directive, so what I'm going to use, uh, I have taken here a different file name nzmaterial.module.ts, and now I am importing all my dependencies here, which I am going to use in my app. For that, I have first imported nz module to import and export nz module, and here I have clear declaration is empty here, and now I am having imports of my the dependent components like all these, and I am exporting the same thing after import. And after this after this making as a module, I am exporting this as a class name material module class. So when my job is done, so I need to include inside the app. When my app starts loading, this should be at the point of injection, or when the app loads, this should be injected. So what I'm going to do, just I am importing the module here, nz material module. Same thing, I exported from this nz material class, and now I am putting this import under the for the roots, and now my import is ready for the use for enzyme design. So see, you can see here I can now use material card, material components, yeah, material content, material card content and all. And if I explore more inside my pages, you can see like blog, here is mat divider I am using. Yeah, mat card subtitle, mat divider, different pages I am using different things. Mostly the divider, I haven't remembered all the, like I have used somewhere progress bar, somewhere the spinner, like you can see here mat spinner. So my material design is my material component is now ready to use throughout the app. Okay, see you, bye bye. Please subscribe for more.